Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of AI image and video generation, a space that's absolutely exploding with creativity and innovation. Gone are the days when you needed a supercomputer to create stunning visuals. Now, powerful AI tools are putting the power of creation right at our fingertips. Whether you're a seasoned artist, a complete beginner, or just someone who loves to play around with cool tech, this video is for you. We're going to be taking an in-depth look at the Luma Dream Machine, a tool that's making waves in the AI art scene. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right into the world of Luma Dream Machine. The Luma Dream Machine is more than just another AI image generator. It's your creative partner in crime, helping you bring your wildest imaginations to life. Imagine having the ability to generate stunning images and videos with just a few clicks, all powered by the magic of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a digital artist looking for inspiration, a content creator in need of eye-catching visuals, or simply someone who wants to explore the possibilities of AI, this tool has something for you. We'll be taking a deep dive into its features, exploring its interface, and most importantly, showing you how to use it to create your own masterpieces. No prior experience with AI or design software is needed. Let's get started. All right, let's jump right in and get acquainted with the Luma Dream Machine interface. When you first fire up Luma Dream Machine, you'll be greeted by a clean, intuitive layout that's easy on the eyes. Think of it as your digital art studio, where all the creative magic happens. You've got your main canvas area, where you'll see your generated images or videos come to life. On the side, you'll find a handy toolbar packed with all the tools you need to unleash your creativity. For now, just take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now here's where things get really interesting. Prompts. Prompts are essentially the instructions you give to Luma Dream Machine to tell it what you want to create. The more specific and detailed your prompts, the better the AI can understand your vision and generate something truly amazing. Let's say you want to create an image of a majestic dragon flying over a futuristic city. Instead of just typing dragon, you can get super specific. Try something like a colossal, fire-breathing dragon with iridescent scales soaring over a neon-lit cyberpunk city with towering skyscrapers and flying cars. Experiment with different adjectives, verbs, and even literary devices to craft prompts that truly capture your imagination. So you've got your prompt dialed in, but what about controlling the finer details of your artwork? That's where the Luma Dream Machine toolbox comes in. This is where you can fine-tune every aspect of your creation, from the color palette and composition to the overall style and atmosphere. One of the coolest features is the ability to adjust the level of detail. Want a hyper-realistic masterpiece? Crank up the detail slider. Going for a more abstract or dreamlike vibe? Tone it down a bit. You can also play around with different art styles like cyberpunk, fantasy, or even Renaissance. The possibilities are practically endless. Now comes the moment of truth, generating your first masterpiece. With your prompt ready to go and your toolbox settings dialed in, it's time to let Luma Dream Machine work its magic. Simply hit that generate button and watch as the AI brings your vision to life right before your eyes. Now keep in mind that the generation process might take a few moments, especially if you're creating something super complex or high resolution. But trust me, the wait is always worth it. And the best part, you can generate multiple variations of your prompt with just a few clicks. It's all about experimenting, having fun, and letting your creativity run wild. Now that we've got a handle on creating jaw-dropping images with Luma Dream Machine, let's take it up a notch and dive into the world of AI-powered video generation. You heard that right. Luma doesn't just stop at still images. It lets you bring your ideas to life with movement, animation, and a whole lot of cinematic flair. Generating videos with Luma is just as intuitive as creating images. You start with a prompt just like before, but this time, think in terms of scenes, actions, and sequences. Instead of describing a static image, try describing a dynamic event. With videos, you're essentially telling Luma a mini-story. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different camera angles, movements, and transitions right in your prompt. Now here's where Luma truly shines. Once you've generated your AI-powered video, you're not just stuck with the initial output. Luma provides a user-friendly timeline editor that gives you the power to tweak, refine, and polish your video to perfection. Think of it like your personal video editing suite, but with the added awesomeness of AI assistance. You can easily trim and rearrange clips, adjust the playback speed for dramatic effect, or even blend multiple generated videos seamlessly. Luma's timeline editor gives you the flexibility to experiment and iterate on your video until it matches your vision perfectly. It's all about having creative control and making your AI-generated content truly your own. So you've got your video edited and polished, but something's missing. Maybe it needs a title card, some captions to enhance the story, or some special effects to add that extra wow factor. Don't worry, Luma has got you covered. Luma's built-in tools allow you to add text overlays, graphics, and even special effects directly onto your videos. Create eye-catching title sequences, add subtitles for accessibility or a global audience, or overlay your logo to brand your creations. And for those who love to experiment with visuals, Luma offers a library of cool effects and filters. The possibilities are endless. These additions might seem small, but they can make a world of difference in elevating your AI-generated videos from cool to absolutely captivating. For those of you who are ready to push the boundaries of Luma Dream Machine even further, there's a whole realm of advanced video techniques waiting to be explored. Think seamless looping animations that mesmerize the viewer, mind-bending transitions that defy reality, or even generating entire music videos synced to your favorite tracks. Luma's power lies in its ability to understand and respond to creative prompts, so don't be afraid to get experimental. Try crafting prompts that describe abstract concepts, emotions, or even musical rhythms. You might be surprised at the mind-blowing visuals Luma can generate. Luma Dream Machine isn't just a tool, it's a creative playground. We've covered the basics and even dipped our toes into some cool video tricks, but Luma Dream Machine has a few more aces up its sleeve. We're talking about advanced features that'll really let you fine-tune your AI creations and unlock a whole new level of artistic control. One of these powerhouse features is the ability to adjust the chaos level. Low chaos means you'll get more consistent and predictable outputs, which is great for refining a specific idea. But crank that chaos up, and Luma will inject a dose of randomness, leading to unexpected and often breathtaking results. This is perfect for when you're feeling adventurous or want to break free from creative ruts. This next feature is where things get really wild: style transfer. Imagine taking your favorite painting, maybe a Van Gogh or a Picasso, and infusing its unique style onto your own photos or videos. It analyzes the artistic elements of an image, like the brushstrokes, color palettes, and textures, and then applies those characteristics to your chosen media. You can transform everyday photos into stunning works of art, or give your videos a surreal, dreamlike quality. Want to see your cat reimagined in the style of a Renaissance masterpiece? Luma can make it happen. This feature is a game changer for artists and content creators, allowing you to experiment with different artistic styles and create truly unique and eye-catching visuals. Here's a pro tip when it comes to creating amazing AI art. Don't be afraid to iterate. The beauty of Luma Dream Machine is that it's incredibly responsive to your input. Every time you generate an image or video, pay close attention to the results. What do you like about it? What could be improved? Use those observations to refine your prompts, tweak your settings, or even combine elements from different generations. Think of it as a conversation with the AI. The more you experiment and iterate, the more you'll learn how Luma interprets your prompts and how to get the exact results you're looking for. It's all part of the fun and the creative journey. One of the most exciting aspects of this new era of AI art is the incredible community that's sprung up around it. Platforms like Luma are more than just tools. They're hubs for creativity, collaboration, and inspiration. Don't be afraid to share your creations with the world. Join online communities, participate in challenges, and connect with other AI art enthusiasts. You'll be amazed by the diversity of styles, ideas, and techniques that people are exploring. Sharing your work isn't just about getting likes or recognition, though that's always nice. It's about being part of a movement that's pushing the boundaries of art and technology. So, put yourself out there, embrace the collaborative spirit, and let's shape the future of AI art together. All right, we've spent a good chunk of time getting to know Luma Dream Machine, exploring its features and seeing what it can do. But the AI art world is a vibrant and ever-evolving landscape, with new players constantly emerging and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So where does Luma fit into this grand scheme of things? How does it stack up against other heavy hitters in the AI image and video generation game? That's what we're diving into in this section. We'll be comparing Luma Dream Machine with some of the most popular and powerful AI art generators out there. analyzing their strengths and weaknesses, and seeing which tool might be the best fit for your specific creative needs and workflows. Think of it like a head-to-head comparison review, but in the world of AI-powered creativity. Let's start with one of the big names in the AI art game, DALL-E 2. Developed by OpenAI, DALL-E 2 is known for its exceptional ability to generate highly realistic and detailed images from complex prompts. It's like having a super-powered imagination at your disposal. However, DALL-E 2's power comes with a bit of a learning curve. Its interface, while powerful, can feel a bit intimidating for beginners. And while it excels at realism, it might not be the best choice for those aiming for more stylized or abstract art. On the other hand, we have Midjourney, a platform that's gained a massive following for its unique artistic flair. The future of AI art, a collaborative canvas. So where does Luma Dream Machine fit into this mix? Luma sits comfortably in that sweet spot between user-friendliness and creative power. It offers an intuitive interface that's accessible to beginners while still providing a robust set of features that'll satisfy even the most demanding artists and content creators. Luma's strength lies in its versatility. It can generate both realistic and stylized imagery, allowing you to explore a wide range of artistic styles. Its video generation capabilities are another major plus, giving you the tools to create captivating animations and motion graphics. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of Luma is its commitment to community and collaboration. The platform fosters a sense of shared creativity, encouraging users to share their work, learn from each other, and push the boundaries of AI art together. And as AI technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, we can only expect these tools to become even more powerful and accessible. Imagine a future where anyone, regardless of their technical skills or artistic background, can bring their wildest imaginations to life with the help of AI. That's the future Luma Dream Machine is helping to build, a future where creativity knows no bounds. Unleash your inner creator. So there you have it, the Luma Dream Machine. It's an incredibly powerful tool that's changing the game for artists, designers, and anyone who loves to create. We've covered a ton of ground today, from the basics of generating images and videos to some seriously mind-blowing advanced techniques. But the most important takeaway is this: Luma isn't just about the tech, it's about unleashing your creativity. This tool empowers you to bring your wildest ideas to life, to experiment with different styles, and to explore the boundless potential of AI-powered art. Don't be afraid to break the rules, to push the boundaries, and to see where your imagination takes you. Remember, the only limit is your own creativity. So go out there, experiment, have fun, and create something amazing. And while you're at it, don't forget to share your masterpieces with the world. You never know who you might inspire. The horizon of AI-powered creativity. As we wrap things up, I want to leave you with a thought. We're still in the early days of AI image and video generation. What we're seeing today is just a glimpse of what's possible. Imagine a future where AI can generate entire animated films with just a few prompts, where you can create immersive VR experiences with a flick of your wrist, or where you can collaborate with AI as a true creative partner. That future is closer than you think. And platforms like Luma Dream Machine are leading the charge, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible and making these incredible tools accessible to everyone. So stay curious, stay creative, and keep your eyes on the horizon. The future of AI-powered creativity is bright, and it's going to be amazing to witness. Thanks for joining me on this journey, guys. Until next time, keep creating.